everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we actually have a new update on Etsy. They sent out an email this morning with new changes that are implementing right away due to the epidemic that we're facing with the coronavirus. So if you want to learn more about these updates, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build a thriving online business. Don't forget to like this video and share it online so other Etsy sellers are aware of these new changes that are about to take place. So let's go ahead and dive in and talk about the email that they sent out to everyone this morning. If you have not received the email, I highly recommend checking your spam folder, making sure that you save their Etsy email in your actual contacts, in your actual email account. That way it doesn't put it as spam. This is an email that they send out today. And what they're trying to do is keep our business running during this difficult time that we're facing. And a lot of community have been giving feedback to them. And this is what they have decided to do in order to bring more buyers to our shop and ease the burdens of the difficult time that we're facing. So they're going to be investing $5 million in off-site ads credits. So they know the importance of maintaining like a momentum for our stores. So they're planning to invest $5 million through the end of April in off-site ads, which will promote our products on Google, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Bing at absolutely no cost to us, which is really, really nice. Also, Etsy is investing in our growth by us not seeing any charges until May 1st, or at least May 1st. They're going to give us extra time to pay our bills. And I think that's a good one there because a lot of us are struggling right now, especially me with one income. So there's a lot of, this will give us a little bit of peace of mind, at least from the Etsy side of business, that they're going to give everyone a 1 month grace period. No question asked. So if you have an astounding bill right now, you don't have to worry about it, at least for another month. And then they want to hear back from you. So if something happens, circumstances, things change, maybe you can't go, and order a delivery, you need to let them know. So if you're having any shipping challenges, delivery issues, or trouble meeting any deadlines, they're going to have a team dedicated 24/7 that will provide you with resources, how to manage your time, and help your shop stay in good standing. That's really important with the ODR. That was like my biggest worry. So this is something really, really great for everyone. Make sure that you take advantage of this at this given moment. If you put your store in vacation mode, maybe this is the time to go ahead and activate it again, since you have this 1 month grace period. Why not make the most out of it, right? Especially if we're not getting charged a monthly bill and we're getting ads run by no cost to us. So this is the time to kind of put all the energy back on your shop, try to rebrand it, try to fix listings that are not ranking, try to fix actual Etsy photos, etc. Do all the changes that you have to do for your Etsy shop, so that way when we finally beat the coronavirus and everything goes back to normal, your store is in a better place. I hope that this email helps anyone out there that is having financial situation that they can't pay their bills at the current moment, or is very difficult to do so. I hope this gives you a bit of peace of mind. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about it. Any emotional outbursts as well. I mean, I know I had one when I saw this morning. So let me know your comments and what you think about it below. And thank you guys for watching.